Okay. We're on the way back to my house. Say stop.
What's up?
You look like total shit right now.
I know.
Seriously, look at our outfits. Look. Seriously, we did not change. What the fuck is that drilling?
He needs to hurry up and send it, 'cause I want to know what the fuck it looks like.
I know.
Stop!
Pull the camera.
Look at that stank booty bitch right there.
Hello, mama. Hello, mama.
What's up?
Sky.
Bitch, you dumb.
I know. Give me my fucking camera.
Hello, mama.
Got a long ass way.
Who's that?
I don't know. Some stank booty bitch.
Ali. Watch it be your sister or some shit. I'm alive. You be like, ah, nigga, that's funny. Is you gonna send it?
Oh yeah, I forgot. They supposed to be she supposed to be. Oh, I might be home when I get home, but I might be home by myself when I get home because she supposed to be taking her to volleyball practice. But yeah. Hello, mama. Yeah, see that. I'm gonna stop it now, okay? What? I'm gonna stop it now.